Good morning, students. This is Himang sir, and today the topic which we are going to learn is actually called managerial response to the changes in business environment. You are well aware that yesterday we have seen a topic called impact of government policy changes on business and industry. There were 7 points in it, which I'm going to repeat. Increased competition, more demanding customer, technological changes, necessity for change. Technological changes is called rapidly changing technological environment, then necessity for change. Fifth, need for developing human resource. Sixth, market orientation. And seventh, loss of budgetary support. And all this impact is actually received when government has introduced the LPG policy. Now, if you overall see to this answer, you feel that it's actually a challenges faced by Indian corporate sector, problems faced by Indian corporate sector. In today's question, which is recently added by boards just a couple of years ago, we are going to understand how other companies have responded so positively to the changes that have taken place because of LPG. Well, that's why the title of the question is Managerial Response to the Business Environment. I'm starting with the first point, diversification spree. That means after LPG of 1991, in Indian corporate sector, many of the company have started going for a diversification. Diversification means they are into their ongoing business. Apart from that, they have also decided in going into other business. That does not mean they have kept their current business off and started focusing only on new business. Their current business was on auto mode. It was doing fine and fantastic. And they saw an opportunity that after LPG, we can also add in one more business. So that's why diversification was the spree. Diversification was the wave where many of the company have started indulging themselves into additional businesses. Let's see. Due to new policies, corporate sector has witnessed a a spate of diversification. As for example, AT&T initially was into telecom services. Now it has entered into manufacturing of transmission equipments. So what I'm trying to teach you through this, AT&T was only initially was only giving you telecom services like every other cellular service provider like Vodafone and Airtel. But they saw a huge potential that we can diversify into this business also. So they started making telecommunication transmission equipments. आपने बिल्डिंग के ऊपर जो नॉर्मली टावर्स देखे हैं, जो टावर्स हमें बेसिकली सेल्यूलर फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, वो मेजरली AT&T के होते हैं. तो जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट, AT&T सेल्यूलर सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है और सेल्यूलर सर्विस को ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए जो इक्विपमेंट्स यानी टावर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो भी AT&T प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. सो एक साथ दो बिजनेस में है. Second, joint ventures or consolidations of MNCs. Now this is second thing. Current business में आप extra business तो कर ही रहे थे, but जो business organization खुद सारी नई invention नहीं लेके आ रहे थे, उन्होंने अपने आप को दूसरों के साथ merge करना ठीक समझा. That's where the word came joint venture. Now joint venture word is not unknown to you. Last year in 11th, when you were learning chapter 3, which is public, private and global enterprises, I'm pretty sure the second last topic was joint venture before you learn the triple P. Anyway, let's see joint venture. Many MNCs have entered in India after introduction of new policies of joint ventures. As for example, General Motors with Hindustan Motors and American Insurance Group, that is AIG with Tata. So General Motors, which is actually called GM, which is having a brand called Chevrolet, were dying to enter Indian market. So there is a car called Ambassador. You must be knowing as a minister car that is used so widely. So with Hindustan Motors, General Motors have tied up and they started producing a brand called GM over here. You must have known Chevrolet Beat, Chevrolet Spark, Chevrolet Captiva, all this kind of car. So that is General Motor brand. Yes, it is true for the fact as of now, General Motors has completely wind up their business in India. But in 1991, they were the first one to enter. And yes, then AIG. AIG stands for American Insurance Group. And they have tied up with the Tata. And that's why you hear the name Tata AIG Life Insurance. That AIG stands for American Insurance Group, who have joined their hands with Tata. So these are the first 2 points, which is diversification spree and joint ventures or consolidations of MNCs. Now, if you want to learn more about this, you can pause the slide over here. I'm going to next one. Well, third is called brand building. This was another important area that they have focused upon. Every MNC felt that after 1991, if you want to recognize in the eyes of public, brand building is very much important. Brand building matlab spending good amount of money to make the brand popular in the eyes of public. Let's see. Expenditure level is enhanced by company in building the brands. As for example, MNCs like LG, Samsung investing huge amount of money in building brands. You must have seen Samsung ad was actually done by Mr. Amir Khan. He was, canvassing it like anything. And LG भी अपनी refrigerator, ACs, washing machine इसकी heavy advertisement करता था. If you are knowing or not, this is my duty to let you know. LG का full form होता है Life's Good. जिंदगी के लिए जो necessary goods होते हैं वो हम बनाते हैं LG. So they have started and investing huge amount of money in advertising so that they can make their brand popular in Indian markets. Fourth, use of latest technology. I've already told you, technology is a survival for many business after 1991. So they understood that the power of the weapon is immense, and if they use it correctly, they'll be able to do great things out of it. Use of latest technology has become main focus for many companies, like development of cellular services. You all know prior to 1991, even if in your house, if you have a local BSNL dabba, you are actually considered as a very rich person. And in that time, if I totally recall, the area of Gujarat was having a company called Cellforce, which was then taken by Hutchison, which has that popular advertisement, you and I in this beautiful world. And finally Hutchison was overtaken by Vodafone. So development of cellular service was one of the biggest example where technology has come. People used to have big Nokia phone of cellular services, which actually looked like a walkie-talkie radio. At that time, 16 rupees was outgoing and 8 rupees was incoming. But then that was latest technology and everyone was ready to experience that thing. If you believe it or not, but this was the transition. People had landline dabba, that was replaced by codeless dabba. Then came the pagers. If you don't know pagers, why don't you Google it out? You'll come to know that something very small of device used to be on the belt of the males normally, and then they used to get the message. And now these pagers are replaced by cell phone, the actual Nokia heavy-handed cell phones. So that's called cellular services, which is called use of technology. As of now, we have seen two more points. This is called brand building and use of technology. I will always advise you that you can freeze the slide, you can see to it, and then you go ahead. Our fifth point is called sharply improved compensation levels. As I've seen that after 1991, the requirement of skilled labor has increased. Managerial people has increased. People having management knowledge, people having administration knowledge, their requirement has increased immensely. So every company have understood that if we need this kind of talented manpower in our company, it is really very important to give them high salaries. So compensation level has improved, salary bar has improved. So for candidates having good knowledge of management and technical skills, compensation level has sharply improved with a lot of incentives. So people who are having a lot of knowledge about their management skills, about their technical skills, company have started hiring them and they were offering good salaries. As for example, significant rise in the salary of management graduates and engineers. If you are an engineer from IIT or if you are an MBA from any of the IIM, then you are having a good days to go about because companies were hiring you quick and they are offering you handsome salaries, which proves that sharply improved compensation levels. And finally, I come to the last point, that's called customer focus. Due to such policies, there has been increasing attention to customer needs and satisfaction. Product quality has changed tremendously. Marketing, research, advertising, such activities have become very much common. Customer focus, which you can understand, my dear friends, company have understood that previous market was producer's market. Previous market means before 1991. Anything you produce, it would be sold. I have told you yesterday, again I am telling you, before 1991 in India, consumer do not used to have good amount of choices. For them, airlines means Air India, buses means Tata, trucks means Ashok Leyland, shoes means Bata, and biscuits means Parle G. This kind of very small amount of options were there. Options means I'm literally actually speaking about any options. But as after 1991, when many of the companies have started entering the Indian market, they have decided that if we want to survive, customer focus is very much important, product quality is very much important, and we need to understand the needs of customer. पहले हम प्रोड्यूस करते थे और सेल करते थे, अब हो जाता था. अब बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हो चुके हैं, तो कस्टमर की नीड को समझना पड़ेगा, प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को समझना पड़ेगा, एडवर्टीजमेंट करनी पड़ेगी और उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट बनानी पड़ेगी. So production is not the centric thing, customer is the centric thing. So with that said, my dear friends, I conclude my question. You have just learned a very important topic called the managerial response to the LPG of India. In the 6 points, we have understood how Indian corporate sector have responded so positively to the LPG policies of Government of India. Kindly go through this entire video, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can definitely ping me on my personal video. Thank you so much for hearing, and hereby I would like to conclude my lecture. Thank you.